Hello, my name is Athena Portakalides and I am an immigration lawyer at Bellissimo Law Group. I'll be speaking today about how COVID-19 is affecting travel and immigration to Canada. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau has implemented a number of restrictions to travel to Canada in light of the COVID-19 pandemic, which have been recently expanded as of the 30th of March 2020. In addition to the previous restrictions on non-essential travel to Canada, now any passengers showing any signs of COVID-19 will be denied boarding at all domestic flights and intercity passenger trains, and passengers traveling by air to Canada will need to pass a health check to be conducted by airlines before being permitted to board any flight. As before, anyone who arrives in Canada must self-isolate for 14 days, even if not experiencing any symptoms. Unless showing signs or symptoms of COVID-19, international students who hold valid study permits or who were approved for study permits before the 18th of March 2020 are exempt from the travel restrictions and may travel to Canada. All temporary foreign workers, regardless of when they received approvals, are also exempt from the travel restrictions and may travel to Canada as well. Individuals whose applications for permanent residence were approved on or before the 18th of March 2020 and who have not yet traveled to Canada are similarly exempt from the travel restrictions, and Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, or IRCC, is making efforts to either cancel landing appointments or conduct them over telephone where possible. IRCC has made certain exceptions regarding requirements related to certain applications or maintenance of status, such as for international students who are forced to continue their studies online on an exceptional basis due to COVID-19, eligibility for the post-graduation work permit program will not be affected. Individuals with temporary or permanent resident applications in process will not see their applications closed or refused due to a lack of documentation or inability to complete the application process in time, such as providing biometric information or completing an immigration medical exam when travel reopens. With many government services restricted, disrupted, or put on hold given COVID-19, we may be facing significant delays when full service is finally restored. Hopefully, IRCC will adopt measures in the meantime to accommodate applicants and lighten the effects of the current and potential future delays in the face of this pandemic. Thankfully, IRCC is continuing to accept and process applications. So, if you are interested in applying to work, study, or immigrate to Canada, you should apply as soon as possible to avoid the likely flood of applicants once Canada lifts travel restrictions and IRCC services are restored in full. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our office to schedule a consultation and discuss your immigration options. Thank you for your time.